In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add a background image to Safari on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you want to freshen up the look of your iPhone 15, changing the wallpaper is a quick and effective way to do it. Follow these simple steps to personalize your device's background. First, unlock your iPhone 15 and locate the Safari app on your home screen. Tap on it to open the web browser. In Safari, tap on the Edit button located in the center of your screen. It will take you to the Customize Start Page screen. Here, scroll down the web page until you reach the bottom, and you'll be presented with a list of available wallpapers. Scroll through the options and choose the one that appeals to you the most. Simply tap on it to select it as your new wallpaper. If you have a specific image in mind and it's saved on your device, you can use it as your wallpaper. Tap the plus icon, usually located in the bottom right corner, to access your photo library. Select the image you want, and it will become your wallpaper. If you ever wish to revert to your default wallpaper or remove it altogether, simply toggle the wallpaper option off. This will turn off your wallpaper, and you'll have a plain background. Changing your iPhone 15's wallpaper is an easy and fun way to personalize your device and make it truly yours. Experiment with different images to find the perfect look that suits your style and preferences. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.